Hazel inside the bag. I tried to pick up the bag. She went inside the bag. Now I cannot put the bag away. Hazel, Sasha, say hello to Hazel. Make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Please, if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please do. Please visit my YouTube channel, Nets Pinay Vlog. And it's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Thank you for watching, everyone. God bless you all. It's Hazel in the bag. Love you guys. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all. Hazel is speaking. Say hi, Hazel. Say hi, Hazel. I'm inside the bag. I'm inside the bag. Returning back to Walmart. Kitty cat in the bag. Hello, kitty cat in the bag. Say hi. Trying to figure out how to get out. Get out in there. You can get out. Yes, you can. Take a peek. You can get out and take a peek. Peekaboo. There she is. She's trying to get out. Trying to get out in the bag. You can do it. Want me to help you? Want me to help you to get inside the bag? Let me see. Hazel in the bag. There she is. Hazel's in the bag right there. Say hi. Say hi to the viewers, subscribers. It's me again. It's Pinay Vlog. Hazel in the bag. There she is. Hazel in the bag. She loves the bag. She loves being in the bag. There she is. Loves being in the bag. Hello everyone. It's me again. It's Pinay Vlog. 10 minutes before 4. Here in Maryland, USA. She's in the bag. She's trying to bite it. And wherever you are in the whole world, morning in the PI, afternoon in the UK, wherever you are, thank you for watching, everyone. Be safe as always. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. There she is. You want to get out now? You want to get out? Get out in the bag? Huh? You can get out. You can get out in there. Want me to help you to take you out there? I'll take you out in the bag. You're pouring your head up. What the heck you doing over there?
What is she purring?
Yep. She don't want to be in the bag. She don't like it. She like being inside. Right? You want me to take the bag up there? Nothing. I'm trying to empty it. It was my sweater. I just took my sweater up and she's sneaky in there. She's sneaky in there. Hello. Alright, see you later. See you again soon. Thank you for watching, everyone. God bless you all. So long and be safe as always. Thank you and God bless.